We are out in the community, ironically at the community house in Birmingham, and I am with some very good friends. Haven't seen them in a while, but I am with Teri Sahn-Silver. She is a board member for Shades of Pink Foundation, also an oncology social worker. And Teri, it's so nice to see you again.
Thank you. It's nice to see you.
We have a big event coming up. You have a big event coming up, the Shades of Pink Foundation. Tell me what it is.
It is our third annual comedy event. It is going to be October 1st, right here at the community house.
It's a beautiful place here.
It's a fundraiser. It's also a thank you to our community partners who refer people to our organization. We serve a light dinner, and we just take an hour to laugh, which is really good medicine.
And you know, it is so important. I mean, we know, of course, oncology and all the treatment that's involved, but all of the stress that's also involved in going through breast cancer treatment. And that's what this night's really about.
Yes, it's about what we do as an organization. We're going to be kicking off Breast Cancer Awareness Month with this event.
Because it's October 1st,
yes,
right?
Yes, that's right.
It's October 1st.
And besides, like you said, all of the medical aspects of cancer, the treatments, the surgeries, there is a tremendous financial burden that goes along with it. And sometimes people are more worried about that than they are actually about their physical health, because we all hear the stories of how expensive things are, how people have had to file for bankruptcy. And so the mission of Shades of Pink Foundation is to alleviate some of that stress and help people get through that hump when they're not able to work or they have to work less.
And the idea of what Shades of Pink Foundation does and oncology social workers, you know, such an important part of getting those patients to the right resources.
That's right. That is absolutely right. So we help people pay for an insurance bill, a car payment, a mortgage payment, food, to get them through that short period of time. But it's the social workers and the nurse navigators and the nurses who identify those patients and then refer them to us so that we can provide them with help. So it's a real important connection and working relationship.
And I imagine everyone has to be on the same page.
Absolutely.
Right? So you have to know what to look for. And when we featured you back in April and for the walk and everything, it was amazing, but how much people do not know about you.
That's right.
And so that is part of raising awareness.
It's a very important part of raising awareness. Not only people, we want to let people know about us, not only for people who have cancer, but we all know somebody who has cancer, particularly breast cancer.
Right.
And if your neighbor or your dentist can say to you, you know, if you're having some financial issues, there's this great organization out there. And the other really important thing about Shades of Pink Foundation is all the money that we raise stays local.
And that is important.
We service 9 communities in Southeast Michigan, and every penny that you donate goes to women and men who live in those communities. It's not going anywhere else.
Right.
So we really are about community.
Yes, and so, okay, we are at the community house in Birmingham, and the comedy night is October 1st.
Right.
And it is open. Tickets are for sale.
Tickets are for sale until September 17th.
Okay.
It's $50. Our comedian is Tara Brown, who we think is going to be great. I think people are going to really be able to relate to her.
Right?
Yes. And yeah, so we really want to get as many people to come and hear about what we do and be a part of the good work that we do, because it really is something that can make you feel good if you donate money.
Right. You can donate money and you can laugh and get some dinner.
And you can eat some dinner and you can volunteer and you can do a lot of things.
Right. So how long have you been on the board of Shades of Pink Foundation?
I've been on the board for 3 years. I have been a referral source to Shades of Pink for over 20 years since they started.
Okay.
So I always was very happy to be able to provide that referral for a patient, because I know that it just does alleviate so much stress. And Shades of Pink Foundation has always been reliable. They follow through quickly.
And that's important.
They're sensitive, and it's really, I refer to a lot of different organizations for a lot of different kinds of cancer, but Shades of Pink was always top of my list for the kind of work that they did.
Right,
and they do,
right, and they
Absolutely.
continue to do. So again, it's been great catching up with
Yes,
you. We will
yes.
see you, of course, and I'm so excited to announce that Shades of Pink Foundation actually giving away 2 tickets for one of our viewers. So stay tuned for those details coming out. October 1st is the night all the fun happens, and it's fitting because that's the start of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, right?
Right, 5:30 here
at the Community House in Birmingham.
And just come and have a good time.
Yes, laugh because it heals. Laughter does heal. And also, wear some pink. Teri's
That's
got her
right.
pink on, and I'm wearing my pink shoes like I did for the walk in April. So, so excited to see you guys, and we'll see you there.
Great to see you.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye now.